What's up, guys? I'm back yet again. Today I'm going to do a real quick EDC video just because I haven't done one in a while. I'm going to do it right here, what I got on me. So first off, my little pocket got a Zippo. Needs more fluid apparently. And I got my Spyderco Tenacious. Wow, that took me a while to say. AHCR13 MOV steel. Need to do a review on this. G10 scales. Overall, nice blade. Then over here, it's my Leatherman Wave. I keep in my old share-filled pouch because I'm tired of it being in my pocket. You guys have all seen one of these. I keep a wallet down here. Nothing special in that anymore. Nothing in that pocket. My keys. Got my little Altoids tin holder there. Just got some goodies in it. I'll actually show you guys that real quick. I'm going to pause this and then get right back to you. Okay, let's break into it. Never really done an EDC video like this, so bear with me. On the bottom, there's a little knife down there with a ferro rod, half a wax round, and some fat wood chunks. Strike anywhere matches, and a small fishing kit. That is what I keep in my little Altoids keychain here. Great to have. Keep my this is Hardcore Hardware, I think. Yeah, I got from Tactical Bruce. Lots of wear on it. I got a belt. Sometimes I carry a neck knife, not as much anymore. It's just become a bit annoying and that rattle around. I may start carrying one again, I don't know, but for now I don't. But as I said, I need to do a review on this. I love this blade. Been in my EDC ever since the day I got it, like 2 months ago. But that's my EDC for right now. If you guys got any questions, feel free to comment them. But now, if you guys want to bear with me, the annoying train sounds. I'm having a bit of a knife sale. It's my last video. I'm trying to move, so I got some blades here. If anybody's interested, as you can see, I got my SOG Kilowatt. Like this blade, has a different wire cutters. I got a replacement pocket clip for it recently. It's got the shears and then a cutter back here too. And that on their site retails for $66. On Amazon it retails for $41 used, so I'd take a lot less for it. And then we have the Kershaw Speed Safe. J.R. Martin design, 1986 WM. I looked on Amazon. That's the only place I could find it. Oh, right there, $25, brand new. Then we have the CRKT M16. This one's a bit faded. It's had some use. Still in pretty good condition. Decently sharp blade. The lettering is a little bit faded, but those retail for Amazon. I found it for $36.57. Almost said 52. And then sorry about that. The CRKT Hasula folder. Focus, camera, focus. Really? Okay, apparently it doesn't want to focus, but so Williams design. I can partially see it. I don't know why this thing doesn't want to focus. Beautiful condition. I've only carried it like once or twice. I don't even think I've ever used it to cut anything, actually, besides maybe paper. Those retail on the site for $99.99. Amazon $59.99, and I also found it on Walmart.com for $59.99. Then these two, couldn't really find much about them. It's just a Gerber blade. Not worth much, probably. And then this one, I don't really use it. I think I've EDC'd it for a little bit. It's a Winchester. Looks like a knockoff 110. Got it because it's a massive blade. I like it, but I don't really carry it. And it's got a little leather sheath. But if you guys are interested in any of these blades, I'd probably sell them all. I'd like to sell them all because as one, save on shipping. I mean, I'd probably take like 40-50 bucks for all of them. I don't use them, so if anybody got any interest, let me know. Message me something. We'll work out a deal. I don't use them. I need the extra cash, so I'd sell them really cheap. Like I said, it'd be nice to sell them as a bundle, so I didn't have to do multiple different shipping. Because I like to ship the USPS priority, flat rate boxes, and those things cost like $8 each. So if you ship them all in one, we could work out a better deal. If somebody wanted all of them, I'd say probably, I don't know, 40 bucks, 50 bucks with the shipping. Maybe just 40, I don't know. I need the extra cash. So if you got any interest, let me know. If not, thanks for watching. As always, this has been Sheep Survival. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Over and out. Look at the river. Almost looks like it's flowing backwards.